Hi, I'm Pablo. I'm installing a turbo and intercooler today. Would you like to see how? Let's take a look.
I am currently en route to the shop. We got a big day today. All right, so it is a Saturday. I am blurry as well. There we go. It is a Saturday, and I have bribed Michael and Joey over to the shop so we can start getting ready for Toyota Jamboree. And one of the things, it's just one thing we have to do today, and that's install like all these parts. What are you doing with that knife?
You said a lateral incision on the dorsal section of the intercooler, Doctor. I did it.
It's like, what the f? Why'd you say that when I wasn't recording?
Broke one. Can you reenact that?
Wait a minute, you got bribed to be here?
Yeah, he paid me in Pablo bucks.
So anyways, well, the other thing that we have to do today, maybe if we have time, is I got a safari snorkel for the 80 series as well. So lots of toys. We got intercooler, we got a new turbo. Pull them out, show that turd speed.
Pull it out, Joey.
Whip. She's girthy, I'm sorry.
Excuse me while I whip this out.
So this is from Gturbo in Australia. This is called the grunter. I've been instructed that you have to say the grunter portion like you're in the bathroom taking care of business. So it's like a grunter.
They should have colored the wheel brown.
I'll see myself out.
Aussie phone.
Impressive.
I blocked the camera.
I should let go.
Just yank it! Oh, well, I was being dramatic.
You don't tell me to yank it unless you mean it.
It says, tools required, a 3-inch hole saw. We got a plasma cutter.
Oh, it's a koozie.
Is it a koozie?
Yeah.
Oh. So Michael's working on getting the snorkel on. I'm sorry, pristine fender, but you're about to get holy.
Maybe.
So.
Oh, that's the snorkel line. Okay, so top of the fender.
I am concerned that you're about to drill holes in my fender, and you're struggling with the template.
Well, there's not much in the way of instruction. It was all in Australian, dude.
This is so painful to watch.
Why? Why?
A crunch. Yeah.
Damn, that thing walked like a.
Don't say that, he's right there.
Huh? I thought this was really cool. This has got to be factory, but it's a it's for cold weather.
What?
I did use it when we had our winter apocalypse not too long ago, but
That's crazy.
not really necessary. And I don't think it's gonna fit with the intercooler, and I'm gonna be really sad to take that off. Got it. Blow it off. If you take your time with it, you get a nice little circle coming out of it.
Yeah.
That was stressful.
That was so stressful.
This is the hardest part of a snorkel. Like, that's the hardest part.
Seemed to work well. Intercooler, go here.
Yeah. What are we're hitting something on this left side right here. Whatever that is, that needs to go. Just that connector needs to be pulled off of that and set aside. So that's for air conditioning. Yeah, just move it. There we go. Yeah,
I think you need to go left more.
that tab, wherever that tab is, bend it down. Yeah. Just push the whole thing down. That should be good. There is a point in the day when everyone understands their tasks. Everyone just gets into a flow. In one hand, my brain screams, record, get the shot. In the other hand, it says keep working. Time flies at this point, and Michael had to leave for previous arrangements, which left Joey and I to our own devices. Can we get this guy out? Although it didn't stay just Joey and I for long. Even On Lee showed up to join the fray, and he was most welcome. What are you stuck on?
Nobody knows.
So, Pablo, what'd you just do?
We took all the nuts off of the turbo manifold. Now we're trying to, now we're trying to get it out.
So I get to play camera guy today, so that's kind of cool. But that's because Pablo's the only one with small enough arms to be able to get in and get this turbo last bolt here. It sucks. Here.
Excellent in Toyota land.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
So, of course, we could have pulled the manifold out with the turbo and made our lives a lot easier, but then that's just taking the easy route in life, and we decided to do everything the hard way by just removing the turbo by itself. Now that the old turbo has been removed, we just had to get all the old transferable parts off the old one into the new one, and then start prepping the new one to go in. We were all in good spirits. At one point, we were pretty confident that we were going to have a running truck by the end of the night.
Hey, Pablo, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm still putting these darn studs in here.
Oh, yeah? Yeah? Well, that's an awkward position to be in, all bent over and stuff.
Well, you know, it's pretty comfortable right now.
Oh, okay. Well, that's you should like Superman that I see. Okay.
Okay, so we got the turbo is now fully installed, the heat shield's on it, the transcooler is fully plumbed, and now we can start taking care of the rest of the plumbing. all the way up to the intake manifold, focus, and also to the turbo, and then we gotta put the snorkel on and we're done.
Come on, Joe, you're supposed to be the camera guy.
Hey, Zach entered chat.
Oh, cool.
It's Intercool.
Now, this wouldn't be a late night without some sort of issue or delirium or a lapse of judgment, right? That's like the wrong.
I know, but I couldn't find your other tool. So get bent. We're going with what we got here.
You mean the one that's sitting on top?
Using vice grips for a hose clamp.
Son of a biscuit. Give me the damn tool.
Does that say PDI?
One side. Two side. Two side.
Great minds at work. We've got ourselves a little situation. Oh.
Would you believe it? We had a bolt fall in the intake manifold. Using a bore scope and a magnet, we spent 45 minutes to an hour digging out a bolt that's really not magnetized.
Oh, you heard it.
It's not magnetic.
Are you kidding me?
Got it.
Here we go. It's coming out. Oh man.
Oh, look at the screen. See, I got the hook behind the head. So hopefully it holds this time.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah!
There it is.
Got him! I would have loved to have said that was the only issue we had that night. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. So, as much as I am enjoying my PDI intercooler kit, it was missing the charge pipe that goes to the intake manifold. And because it was missing, we had to make a replacement. Now, this looks fine. You might say that you might see this and think, "Oh, this is perfect." But in reality, don't judge me. I'll order a replacement from Summit on Monday when I'm back in the shop. But as of for tonight, for this weekend, for tomorrow,
It is a real for your pleasure.
this will work.
What you doing there, Pablo?
Tidying a snorkel.
Oh.
You like my new glove? It's made from Toyota.
What are you doing?
Stuff in my face. Because it's 9 o'clock and I haven't eaten dinner.
Me too. Getting in there deep like, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Get in there real good now, boy.
See, because of the extreme ingenuity of the 80 series Land Cruiser, their wheel wells are fully made out of metal. Now, on a 4Runner, you can take the actual wheel well cover off and you can access all the bolts to the snorkel when you install one. Not an 80. You forgot the clamp.
Job's done.
Ah, no!
It's too late, it's done.
So I got the valence on there. I had to trim over here so it didn't hit the actual intercooler tubing. And then I had to cut the bracket up here. But there's still plenty of room for me to run the windshield wiper, not the windshield wiper, but the headlight cleaning hose for the sprayers, for the headlights. That thing, I'm very tired. But me and my ultimate wisdom never considered that the inlet for the turbo or for the air filter was bigger than the stock one. So like putting the stock boot's not gonna work, and I should have obviously known about that, but for some reason I just didn't think about it. So now I'm trying to figure out a solution. But I'm just gonna keep cranking away and see if something will work, and just go from there. Though the snorkel looks really good, I am super happy with that. Joey's been absolutely awesome though. He's staying late and helping me getting it done. Actually, Joey and I were talking about how we're so happy we're doing this now instead of like a couple weeks before Jambo.
Well, it is a couple weeks before Jambo. Or a few weeks. We're not doing it the week of Jambo.
Yeah, that's true. Because like trying to figure out something that will make this work, at least for the intake. Zach's coming in clutch. He went over to AutoZone and he found a couple of things that might work. So we're gonna make this a little janky until we can get a hold of Summit.
Where are we at, Pablo?
He's licking it.
We're trying to get the intake on, and we AutoZone some stuff for now. Don't. This video is gonna be full of judge. I already sense it. But you know, when it's 3 o'clock and no, not 3 o'clock. When it's like, what time is it?
Almost midnight.
11:15.
Yeah, when it's almost midnight and you just want to go home, you're gonna find stuff that works.
Yep.
The hood will close. This is the real question because that looks kind of high. No, we're gonna have to trim. This clears.
Oh
this
yeah, you
does
can see the
not.
dirt. Oh!
Yay! Some trimming. Ah! What? Try to dry it up every time. Thank God! Let's go drive it and see what happens.
You guys go.
Several things to note real quick. We're not going to be pushing the truck tonight. I haven't fully installed my EGT sensor and my boost gauge. Also, I haven't tuned the pump yet either. So we're just kind of taking it easy and seeing how she feels just driving like a grandpa.
That feels better already.
Yeah, dude, this thing pulls.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, but she needs a tune.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's like past midnight. We're done. Of course, the camera ran out of battery. But at this point, we were all so tired that we just all wanted to go home. So on the next episode, I will keep you guys up to date as to how the 80s is doing and what other projects we got coming along before Toyota Jamboree. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and take care. Yeah, you're still here. That's fine. That's great. That means you watched an entire tandem off-road YouTube episode thingamabobber. If you want some more, there's more down in the channel down below. Check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So that's all I got.